Hamad International Airport is Qatar's main transit hub, offering an unforgettable experience as soon as you arrive. Operated by the multi-award-winning Qatar Airways, it's brimming with art, high-end shopping, delicious dining, a vast tropical garden, and much more. Named after the previous Emir of Qatar, Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani, Hamad International Airport first opened in 2014. Today, the airport serves 48 airlines and provides connectivity to over 190 destinations worldwide. It has a capacity to welcome over 58 million passengers a year. Lamp Bear takes center stage in the grand foyer leading to Hamad International Airport's world-class duty-free hall. It is a 23-foot canary yellow teddy bear sculpted from bronze that sits peacefully inside a lamp. It's a symbol of love, comfort, and joy, and it's often a reminder of childhood adventures or fond memories. Lamp Bear welcomes guests at Doha's airport and celebrates the idea of travel, just as the artist celebrates traveling back in time to the symbols of childhood. Orchard is a sanctuary of calm inside the airport. This 6,000 square meter indoor tropical garden includes over 300 trees and over 25,000 plants and shrubs sourced from sustainable forests around the world. It also boasts a 575 square meter water feature, which is an aquatic plant-filled sustainable bioplant. Inside the airport is the custom-designed indoor cable liner, harmonizes with the outstanding architecture and becomes a central feature of the new airport. The near-silent walk-through trains feature a pleasantly open environment and luxurious interior furnishings. This is totally helpful in getting quick transfer to the airport terminals. The airport is elevating its passengers' experience too with the induction of innovative digital wayfinding. Whether trying to navigate from Orchard to Lamp Bear, wanting to try one of the many dining or retail experiences at the airport, or finding a departure gate, passengers will experience frictionless wayfinding. As part of the airport's digital transformation strategy, Hamad International Airport is constantly investing in the latest technology and innovative solutions that will optimize operations and provide a seamless and enhanced airport journey for passengers. Since the airport started its operations in 2014, it has remained steadfast towards introducing and creating an unapparelled airport experience for travelers and commercial partners.
And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!